Hey guys, welcome back to Obsession Car Detailing. Today I'm at Capital Honda here in Canberra in Phillip, picking up my brand new Honda Civic Type R FL5. Now I ordered this car over a year ago. It was meant to arrive actually in the first quarter next year, but I got a call the other week saying it'll be ready this month. So I said, yes, I'll take it. And we're finally here to pick it up. And for the occasion, I've worn my red Honda jacket. Me and Kelvin are here to inspect the car, make sure it's all good. So let's take a look and check out my new car. I just thought it'd be funny to wear while I was picking up my red Honda and a red jacket.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Especially if you're getting photos like that.
Yeah. So guys, this is the first brand new car that I've ever bought that I really kind of care about. I mean, I bought the Hyundai as well, but that was a different thing. This one I've been waiting for more than a year. So we want to really give this car the best start possible. So we've requested that the dealer leave all the stickers, all the protective wrap, the seat covers, everything on there. The car is pretty dirty right now. It hasn't been washed. We requested that they don't wash it. Just remove, the plastic wrapping so we can inspect it, but leave all this there. And now we're going around the car and taking a look at any common areas to make sure there is no damage. We've had a few of these through the shop right now, so we know what to expect. And luckily, because this is not one of the first batch, I think any manufacturing kinks have probably been ironed out by now. So we've got the, here you go, attention to detail here from the guys at Lennox Honda. Keep all plastics, don't detail, no Lennox stickers, because we're just going to remove the stickers, obviously, so it just saves us time. And of course, we've asked for them to not wash the car, just so we can wash it ourselves and ensure there's no damage. Honda paint, as you know, is very, very soft and delicate, so there's a fairly specific washing regime that we need to follow to ensure we don't damage the paint. Technicians report no damage. Great, good to hear. What's my build number? R13160. No damage, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, they're great jackets.
Yes, no, these are awesome, yeah. Matt, that's not a BMW shifter, that's a Honda shifter. BMW shifters are garbage. So guys, I took my M3 out for a drive the other day, first time in a long time. And after having driven the Hyundai, I was driving BMW and I was like, man, the shifter is just not very good. BMWs aren't renowned for their shifting quality. Honda, on the other hand, is known for their shifting quality, and that is just magic. Like, that's just magic. That's all I can say.
It's a beautiful noise.
Oh, this Alcantara steering wheels. I love Alcantara, but not on a car you drive every day.
It doesn't wear very well.
Yeah, exactly. Or I want to buy some red gloves.
Like Jeremy Willis.
Suchiya, he has his own brand. He makes racing gear, so I might get some from there.
I didn't know you're videoing.
No, it's fine. You come through. That's fine. All right, guys. So the final step left is to actually pay for this car. Nothing is free in this world. Luckily, I got a great deal on this from the guys at Capital Honda. So I brought the money here with me. All right, let's have a go. Good times. Fantastic deal, guys. Make sure you see them if you want to kill a deal on your Type R. All right, guys, we've inspected the car, checked it all over, spoken to the team here at Capital Honda or Lennox Honda, same, and the car is all good. We are not taking the car home today. We're getting it towed to the workshop tomorrow morning. So let's jump to the shop now.